Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Hustle World, today we got SzaZs back in the building once again. Now, the name of this watch face is called 102 Pro Edition. I like this design. I like this look. And definitely this one here is geared toward fitness. And it's a nice weekend wear as well, so far as the digital watch face is concerned. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice digital time. It's going to be lit up green in AOD mode, which is going to look nice for the Gears 3. But looking at this watch face, once it's on, you get everything that you can ever want to need out of a watch face, right? You're going to get your battery information. You're also going to get a battery bar right here. That's what that represents. You're going to also get your date, the day of the week, your seconds, and this line right here represents your goal completed so far as your percentage. And as you can see, mine is pinned at the top. Now, if you go up to the top, you're going to get your heart rate information. This is going to represent your heart zone, this little line right here. And you're also going to get info of calories burned. Your step info is right here, 24,000 steps for me. And you're going to also get info on distance and your floors climbed as well. So now the watch face is interactive, right? So if I tap up here at the top, I can go into my calendar. If I come down here at the bottom, I can set an alarm. And over here, I can make the watch face just that much more convenient. I can set a favorite application if I so choose. And at the top, I can get my heart rate information as well. So this isn't a bad digital watch face at all. Again, I like the design. I like the style. I do like the look of this watch face. Now, it is customizable so far as the color theme is concerned. Just double tap and it changes colors. You got so many different variations to change to. I'm not going to be able to go through them all, but I'm telling you, they're all nice. Just keep tapping till you get to the color you like and keep it going. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.